From unboxing, here's the refrigerator now. It is Christmas gift of mine for my family. We ordered this online and we got this very well sealed, no issues, no scratches and everything. And now we are using it, and I can say it is very useful, especially during holidays or occasions. When we had leftover foods, we are just using cooler. This is the cooler we are using, and we are just buying ice block, a piece of block, putting inside of the cooler. Then we also put lots of salt on the top so it won't melt easily. Then because of the size, it's too small, we can store a lot more. And since we have this refrigerator, we can put a lot of more. Then we make a little money by selling ice pops and probiotic drinks. It's 2 doors. This is the top door, and I'll show you what's inside. Here's the ice that we are selling. 3 pesos per piece. And this is the ice pops, also 3 pesos per piece. And on this side, this is our food. Let's turn to the second door. We have these probiotic drinks. We sell these 11 pesos per piece. And the rest, that's our stored food for the week. And I am thankful for Mike. Thank you very much, Mike, for this wonderful gift for us. And that's all I can share for today, guys. And please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.